on, you guys? This is the 1122 Wingnut Radio out here. Now, I have shown this before, and it's still doing it today. It is it's about 15 after 5 o'clock in the morning, the 25th of September and 2020, and now there's this one frequency that constantly does this noise that I still haven't figured out where it's coming from and why it is doing it. And I just wanted to put it out there again, because I did a video on this a while back ago, and it's still doing it. Alright, I am on lower sideband at the moment. Now I'm on at this moment I am on 24.5450. Now the frequency that I want to go to is the next one up. You hear that? Look at the signal strength on that thing. I got over 20 dBs on that sucker. Now this is the interesting thing about it. This is on lower sideband. Upper sideband. Nothing. Nothing. No signal, no sound, nothing. AM. No signal. Nothing. FM. Nothing. No signal, nothing. Only on lower sideband. It's only on lower sideband, and it's a very distinct tone, or I don't know what to call it really. A tone, a ring, I'm not sure. But it's only on this frequency. You can go one up, nothing. One down, nothing. Only on that frequency. Now I think there's one other frequency that I have found this tone on also, but I wanted to highlight this again. I still don't know what this is. If any of y'all out there, any of you people out there on the radio thing, know what this is, put it down in the comment section. It's the 1122 Wingnut Radio out here for Anarchy Television.